Welcome back to EAB's Build Things Better. Today we're talking all about how our green exchange program works and how you're going to save 3 of these 4 things: time, money, the environment, and the dinosaurs. So how does it work? It's super simple. If you're a customer, you simply buy one of our green exchange program products, which you can always tell by the white diamond symbol that has the credit right in there. It's on our wonderful packaging here too. You use that product. Once it wears down, instead of taking it back to a sharpening shop or throwing it in the trash, just take it back to one of our thousands of retailers across North America, and they'll give you an exchange credit towards the same accessory, and you'll walk away with up to 40% off. Super simple. For humans, very difficult for dogs. We've tried and they're bad customers. For the retailers, it's even simpler. For the first time a customer buys a green exchange program product, you just scan the barcode on the back. Nice and easy. Now, if they're returning a green exchange program product, you just simply enter the 12-digit UPC engraved on all of our blades, and it's also printed on all of our packaging for our different products we offer, and it will directly apply the credit to the new purchase. Super simple. This one dogs can do, but with hundreds of hours of training. We take that returned product and either recycle it or remanufacture it until it exceeds industry standards. We have a multi-point inspection process that ensures every remanufactured blade is of the highest quality. We've saved our customers time and money over the years, but perhaps more importantly, we've saved thousands of tons of steel from going to the landfill. It's something as a company we're exceptionally proud of and have been doing for over 40 years. So help us make a green difference one blade at a time. And maybe we'll even save the dinosaurs. So that's how the exchange program works. For more great Exchange-A-Blade vids, smash that subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time.